Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send money from Wise to GCash step by step. Now, it's actually very easy, so let's dive into it. First up, go ahead and log into your Wise account. Now, from the homepage, all you need to do is click on the send button. Then from here, you need to choose actually the currency that you are sending. For example, we are sending USD, and then the recipient will get peso. Now type in the amount you want to send, for example, 500. Then from here, you'll have several options. You can change the schedule when this will arrive, or even change your where it's coming from, basically your bank account. And then from here, it'll show you the total fees and taxes included in this amount. Now, once you're done, just go ahead and click Add Recipient. And then you have to choose this second option. This is the logo or icon of GCash, as you can see. So just click this, then choose someone else. And from here, just enter their email. Well, this is actually optional, but you need to type in their full name, basically their details, their e-wallet number, country, city, address, and postcode. And under wallet provider, this one, click this to show the drop-down menu. And as you can see, GCash is included right over here. So simply choose GCash and fill in all the details, click continue, and the next page will be the review page. And then after that, you'll be able to send the money from Wise to GCash. That's it. Simple. Now you know how to send money from Wise to GCash in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!